All right, so I bought this 2001 Chevy Suburban. It has an LS 5.3 liter in it. The guy told me the only thing that was wrong with it was the muffler, and I went out, I bought the thing, and I made it like a mile, and then it broke down right when I was getting onto the 294 interstate, and so I'm sitting there for hours trying to get a tow, and the guy, I'm like, I'm telling him broke down. He told me that he knew a tow guy or whatever. So I had him tow that thing back, and he charged me 300 cash or whatever to tow it. And so I got it back. This is it. 22s. It's dirty, needs to be cleaned, but I found out what was wrong with it. Did a fuel pump pressure test, and it was only coming up at like 20 psi, and then it kept dropping and dropping, and it just wouldn't start basically when I dropped it here. I didn't have any tools when I was broke down, so checked out a couple of YouTube videos, and I saw that a guy who had a Suburban had said that if you use the posts on the seats on the driver's side, so you can see those 4 posts, if you basically just come 5 inches off of there and cut a hole, you can access the fuel pump. I didn't know how rusty the things were going to be, so I just said, this seems like the best way to go about it. So I ordered up a GM factory OEM part, got the fuel pump, took it out, put a new one in, and it fired right up. So it's getting kind of late right now. I think what we'll do is just take it for a drive, see how it drives, and then work on sealing this back up. There's basically a seam in the carpet, and then put the seat back in, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'm pretty happy that it's running, but we'll take it for a drive here. We'll see what it's like, and go from there. And I'll probably have another video after this. Thank you.